January 2020 will be here before we know it, and that is when Windows 7 reaches the end of its life. So what can you do with an old Windows 7 computer? Well, I have a 7-year-old one, and what I did was I replaced a hard drive with a solid state drive. That only cost me about $25. And then I installed Linux on it, specifically right here, Ubuntu Studio. So how well does it run, considering how old it is? Well, I can run a video. I can run word processor, LibreOffice. Hey, I can edit quite well. I can emphasize this any way I like. Sure, fantastic. And hey, I'm doing all of this while I am recording this on the same computer. And then you can also go and do some web surfing at the same time. This seems to be running quite flawlessly, no drag at all. So, in short, it can be useful, this old computer, and you may want to think twice before you send it off to the garbage bin. Now, the system has, as I said, 8 gigabytes of RAM. But through all of this, I've only used 1.4 gigabytes of that. So a computer with 8 gigabytes of RAM, 6, 4, maybe even 2 gigabytes of RAM can effectively run a version of Linux, and it can be a very useful computer. So if you really hate throwing more stuff, especially electronic stuff, into the trash heap, maybe you should consider giving Ubuntu Linux or any Linux a try. Until next time, happy computing.